Hello everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub-family, thank you so much. So this is a Tesco food haul, the first one of 2024. So Happy New Year everyone. I hope it's starting off as a good one for you. I am very much focused into trying to eat much better. As everyone is over after Christmas, I've just become sick of just eating lots of rubbish food, so I'm wanting all the goodness of the vegetables and lots of fruit and some nice healthy meals. So the meals that I do have planned in for the coming week is a butternut squash, chicken bake and new potatoes with veg, which is from the Pinch and On book. I can't remember which one, I've got quite a few of those books, but it is a Pinch and On recipe. Then I'm going to make some minced beef and onion with mash, lots of vegetables there again. I've also got a lamb mini roast, so again that with some new potatoes and lots of veg. And as we get towards the end of the week, a nice quick easy meal with gammon, some homemade chips, baked beans and a fried egg as well with that too. So I've got the gammon, it's a joint of meat that I had that's been in the freezer, so I don't need to go out and buy any meat. The only meat I do need to go out and buy is the lean minced beef from the butchers, so I'll do that I'll do that at some point this week. And then another easy one is the cowboy fries from another Pinch of Non book, which is like your dirty fries, so you have like your bacon and your cheese and some other bits and bobs just like scattered on top of your fries. So it looked really nice, and I thought, you know what, it looks like it's not going to take too long to make, so we can try it. So yeah, those are the main meals that I've got set out for us to have, and then breakfasts, stuff that I'll be taking to work, will just be yogurt with fruit and a little bit of honey mixed in there as well. And then if I'm hungry at work, it'll either be leftovers that I take with me, or I will make a jack potato and have jack potato with beans and cheese, or I've got some turkey curry left over, so I'll take that out of the freezer and defrost that and have that with my jack potato as well. So yeah, or again, tuna pastas. So yeah, I've got a lot of meals planned out to stay focused and be on this health kick. I do really want my health kick to last quite a while. I don't want to get sick of it, so I am trying to be a bit more varied with what I'm eating to keep my motivation up here and not dwindle off. So yeah, with that being said and me rambling, let's get on to the food shop. In no particular order, I'm just going to start from this side and make my way over to that side. I've got some semi-skimmed milk, which is a staple in this house. I've gone with the Creamfields fat-free Greek-style natural yoghurt. So I've got 2 pots of those that I'm going to add a little bit of honey to take to work. I've got some Muller Lights, only because these are on offer. These are £2.50 at the moment. I do feel as though the lid on this side has got a hole in, so I'll have to deal with that after this video. We've also got some prime cuts honey roast ham. I love using this to snack on. Dan makes sandwiches with it. It's just really, really nice ham, and I also did enjoy having a ham, tomato and Dairy Lee triangle cheese sandwich. Yeah, so I do really love having ham in. I think it's just one of those that we use quite a lot when we do have it in, so it goes into omelettes and things. I've also got some of the Muller Light Greek style yogurts in strawberry, again just because these are on offer at £1.50 at the moment. A pack of Bounties, the Greek style yogurt again in coconut with a hint of vanilla. Got some easy peelers for taking to work in my pack-ups. I've got some of the Roses lemon and lime marmalade for Dan. He did ask for that, and I also got him the golden shred Roberts marmalade because he absolutely loves marmalade sandwiches. If he's peckish and he wants something, then that's what he will make himself. I've also got some Biscoff smooth spread because that also doesn't last very long in this house. At the back I've got some blueberries to take with me to work. I've got some mushrooms. Can't remember which meal I've got them from, but they're definitely for one of the main meals. Then I've got a sweetheart cabbage because of the amount of veg I want to get through this week. I also got some Brussels sprouts because I am not over them yet. Some baby leaf salad to take with my jacket potatoes to work, and also a packet of spinach at the back. I've got the Win-A-Lot 40 pouches for the Charlie Bum with gravy. The Tesco that I went to today doesn't do the packs of 80, so I will be needing to go out and buy another one in a couple of weeks. I've also got some 50% reduced fat mature cheese. I've also got some of the Cadbury Dairy Milk Little Bars. I've got 2 packs of those because I cannot live my life without any chocolate. I've also got a 15 pack of eggs because they're nice and versatile and you can use eggs in so many different things. And I've also got some Tesco black seedless grapes. I really do love the black ones. The black grapes are my favourite. So I'm just on to the second bag of stuff now. I've got some loose bananas. I think I've got 8 there. I've got some miniature potatoes, some small apples, some pears for taking to work, another pack of small apples for taking to work. I've got a melon, which after I've filmed this I will cut up into bits and store in the fridge. I've got 4 brown onions, some baby plum tomatoes, some British all-rounder potatoes and 2 butternut squashes. So that's another job I'm going to do after I've finished filming this. I've also got 2 bottles of Vimto. These are on offer at £2.50 and they're the 2 litre ones. Yeah, 2 litre ones. If you don't know, I absolutely love drinking juice. I'm constantly drinking juice while I'm at home, so while they're on offer, that's why I've picked them up. I've also got a Tesco's blackcurrant, which is the quadruple strength, and I always forget that it's quadruple strength and then I have to like water my drinks down. I've got a cucumber, a broccoli, a packet of carrots, some butter beans that I don't think I've already mentioned, and some Hovis Homo bread at the back. I've got some asparagus, and that is everything for the healthy stuff. I've also got a skimmed milk that is to make some cheese sauce with, and then I've got lots of packets of biscuits, some fig rolls for Dan, some custard creams for Dan, some penguins, which I might enjoy one if there's still some available. And these, I'm not even going to embarrass myself by trying to pronounce them, but they are currently on offer at 95p. And then I've got some Pink Panther wafers for Dan as well. Yeah, I've just got one more bag to go through and then that is everything. So these are literally the last few bits. I've got some Colgate Total mouthwash in peppermint. I've got 3 Glade air fresheners, 1 in pure clean linen, refreshing eucalyptus and lavender, and relaxing zen. So they're for the bathroom. Yeah, so that is everything. I'll just switch you around and then I can end this video. So I did forget to mention at the beginning of this video the price of the food shop. So we did have some vouchers left over. We usually use them on our Christmas food shop, but Dan forgot to take them with him. So they amounted to £28.50. So the remainder that we had to pay this time around was £61.10, which is the reason why I've stocked up on a few items that are on offer, like the squashers and stuff like that, just because I know that they've got a good use by date, so they can, yeah, get stored up. I do intend to try to use up all the food that I have in the house and not keep buying for the sake of buying. But yeah, going back to the biscuits, Dan is not on a diet and he doesn't really care about losing weight. He seems to think that as long as he's eating the same main meals as me and has a good routine at going to the gym, then that is enough for him. And to be true, and to be fair to him, it is true. Like, all he needs to do is look at a lettuce leaf and he loses about half a stone. So yeah, that is the end of this vlog. If you've watched it till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon. But for now, goodbye.